Secure order. Is your cell phone making you sick? In today's world, we are exposed to over 100 million times more EMF radiation than our grandparents were. EMFs from phones, Wi-Fi, microwave ovens, power lines, and more are impossible to avoid. And studies show that they have a profound effect on our bodies. In fact, a recent review at the School of Public Health at UC Berkeley found that spending just 17 minutes per day on your phone over the course of 10 years is associated with a 60% increase in brain cancer. EMF radiation causes DNA damage, disrupts hormones, creates stress proteins, negatively affects fertility, and the CDC concluded there is a high probability that EMFs cause two kinds of brain tumors. You can't unplug from exposure to EMFs. But you can protect yourself. The Defense Bracelet is the #1 defense against the electromagnetic radiation we're exposed to daily. Its powerful center is loaded with 36 minerals that generate negative ions, creating a field that neutralizes and deflects the positive ions of EMF radiation. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of modern technology while being protected from the negative health effects that come with our modern lifestyle. EMF radiation is dangerous to your health. Nobody wants to hear that the electromagnetic radiation we're exposed to at high doses today can make you sick. After all, we depend on electronics, Wi-Fi, and cell phones, and you simply can't get along without them. In fact, even if you don't own a cell phone and never use Wi-Fi, you're exposed to radiation all day long because of power lines, cell phone towers, and 5G. Even satellites overhead generate EMFs that you simply can't get away from. Study after study has shown that EMFs are harmful to your health. In fact, a recent review at the School of Public Health at UC Berkeley found that spending just 17 minutes per day on your phone over the course of 10 years is associated with a 60% increase in brain cancer. EMF radiation causes DNA damage, disrupts hormones, creates stress proteins, negatively affects fertility, and the CDC concluded there is a high probability that EMFs cause two kinds of brain tumors. If EMF radiation is dangerous, why haven't we heard about it? Well, the answer to that will probably make you mad. It turns out, powerful lobbyists from the telecommunications industry spend $132 million every year lobbying to get politicians to ignore cell phone safety. They also spend $18 million directly contributing to members of Congress at the federal level. Basically, they've become the big tobacco of this generation. They've got the politicians in their pockets, and they've managed to get the US to stop funding research on the dangers of EMFs. That's right, the government stopped funding research in the 1990s. You can't unplug from exposure to EMFs. But you can protect yourself. Why does EMF radiation harm us? Here's the thing, our bodies run on electricity. You probably don't think of it that way, but it's true. Electrical signals between your neurons carry messages to your brain. Your heart, muscles, and organs all run on electricity, too. Your body's electricity comes from chemicals like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which all have an electrical charge. You can see the ionic charge on a periodic table of the elements. In addition, electricity vibrates at different frequencies, and that's true of your body as well as your cell phone, laptop, and fridge. You're literally sending out electrical vibes from every organ, every cell of your body. So what happens when there are conflicting charges and vibrations all around us, 24/7? EMF radiation causes damage at a cellular level. It creates oxidative stress, which is what ages your body's DNA. It disrupts your hormones, including cortisol, stress hormone, melatonin, sleep hormone, testosterone, and estrogen. It also messes with the electrical activity in your brain, which causes brain fog, exhaustion, and mood problems. When you understand how the body works, it's no wonder we're suffering from so many chronic diseases. Studies have proven that these hidden dangers affect your health in many ways. Cell phones, power lines, Wi-Fi, and 5G satellites are a fact of life today. We live with more EMFs in our environment than ever before. And they are taking their toll. Here are just a few of the known symptoms of EMF exposure. Protect yourself with the EMF Defense Bracelet. Wear your bracelet and neutralize EMF radiation wherever you go. It won't interfere with your electronic devices, and if you already have a defense pendant, the new bracelet is a perfect complement, while allowing you to double up on protection. Choose your bracelet and get free shipping from our US location, even if you live internationally. Choose black or white. Your EMF defense bracelet comes in a beautiful gift box and is fully adjustable to fit your wrist. Support your health from the effects of EMF radiation with this fashionable and robust EMF protection bracelet. Sales price, $89.78. With code, Sticker Bundle.